What's going on, guys? It's currently Monday morning. Monday morning. Monday morning. Monday morning. Do the dance. 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 What's good? Hold on one second. I gotta fix this real quick. I got it back. I got it back. How did it come back? I gotta fix the lights. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Welcome everybody and welcome to the party. We're here. We're happening. It's happening. It's happening. There we go. Now we're back. All right. This morning, bombshell news coming out. Bombshell news coming out on Nikola. Oh baby, I'm excited. But I'm actually really not happy right now. I'll tell you guys why here in a second. This morning, news coming out that the CEO of Nikola is stepping down, resigning. Whew. I don't know about you guys, but normally when someone's innocent, when somebody gets accused of fraud, of misleading people, of being a snake oil salesman, normally when those allegations come out and the person that's accused quits the job that they're working, it's not a good sign, right? That's not a good sign. There's a probably a pretty good chance at that point that it's not good. Not good. Not good at all. So you can see this morning Nikola down there to 21.52, and this is why I'm so upset right now. This is why I'm so upset, because as you can see on Friday, the close on Friday, you can't make this up, people. You can't make it up. Look at this. The close on Friday, the high was 34.28. And guess who had $34 puts? Guess who had $34 puts that expired on Friday? I'll be over here crying myself to sleep for the rest of the week now. God, you literally got to be kidding me. Do you know how much those $34 puts I had? You know how much those would have been worth if the stock would have dropped 26% on Friday? If it would have dropped down to the $25 area? Oh my, I paid literally pennies. I paid pennies for those puts. Pennies. God, it's just a joke. It's a joke. You got the stock market, man. It's a joke. That's all it is. The whole thing last week with Nikola, and last week Nikola kind of was bouncing around. They kept coming out saying that they're totally, everything is legitimate, blah, blah, blah. They only did that for one reason and one reason only, and that was to let more early investors, more hedge funds, and more smart money run for the exit while they all jumped out of the bandwagon that was sinking into the ground, or the bandwagon. Can't believe it. I literally can't believe it. Why? Why, Nikola? Why? Oh, my God. This thing's such a piece. Nikola's such a piece. Such a piece. Look at what else is moving around today. It's looking really slow right now. I'm probably not even going to stick around for the open. Everybody's been getting mad that I haven't been going live. But I want to explain something really quickly. Why it's hard for me to justify going live. So I go live. I make absolutely no money from the live stream itself. I might as well just trade and make money and not be distracted. So it's like, why put myself through the pain for no real reward, I don't know. That's the way I look at it. I'm a businessman, $3,000 on Nikola. Oh, nice. I'm happy someone's making money on Nikola. Oh gosh, I don't really know if I want to buy puts on Nikola. I don't really want to buy puts on Nikola today. The premiums alone, the volatility is going to be insane. So there's no big deal on doing that. How much money did I make the last few days that I was not live. I didn't trade every day. I traded on Friday. I made $500. And then I think I made a couple $100 other days. The market was really slow last week, terribly slow. And that's also one of the things. When the market's super slow, there's like no motivation for me to go live either, you know? Why? I'm just going to stand on. I wouldn't trade normally. I wouldn't trade. If I wake up and there's nothing moving, like there's literally right now, there's nothing, no setups. Zero setups. When there's zero setups, I got to ask myself, is it really worth me standing around here? You know? That's what I got to ask. You got to ask yourself. It's all, you know, time is money, people. Time is money, right? Time is money. And this morning, the time ain't there. Ain't there. Time ain't there. Nikola down there to 24.50 right now. The low of 21.50. Literally, there's nothing. There's nothing moving once again today. Yeah, but I don't even. It's not even about that. It's not. I don't want to charge people. I don't want to charge you guys to watch the live stream. That's not what that. That's not my. That's not the thing. You know. I don't want subscribers to have to pay to watch the live stream. I wish there was just. I wish YouTube stopped being retarded. When do I think Apple's a good buy? I said Apple a while back down here in this area here. Did I call it or did I call it? I mean, I didn't call it, but I definitely we talked about it last week on the live stream, that $95 area. Anything below $100 seems like a pretty good buy on Apple. So Apple from 137 now, pulling back down there to 94.11, down 2.7% today. Impressive because Tesla's up 2%, Apple's down 2%. Normally, when Apple's green, Tesla's green. When Tesla's green, Apple's green. Interesting. What are my thoughts on Oracle? I guess Oracle's moving today because of the corona, because of TikTok, right? Is that what the thesis is? The thesis on Oracle popping up there to 65, pulling back down to 61. I don't know. The whole TikTok thing just seems so weird at this point. Like now that Walmart and Oracle are buying the U.S. operations of TikTok. I don't know. It just seems really, really weird. Are we buying puts today? No. You guys, you can't buy puts after the stock just dropped 30%. It's not good. It's not good. You'd be better off buying calls on Nikola, like really close into the money calls, than buying puts at this point. I don't even think it would be good to buy calls either. It's just the premium is the volatility, the implied volatility is just gonna murder premiums this week. See, the way to make money on NKLA buying puts would have been buying puts on Friday. If you were buying puts on Friday that expired this week and you woke up this morning and the stock was down 30%, well, those puts are going to be up 300, 400, 500, 600% right now. So, yeah, that's painful. It's very painful. Very painful. Looking through here, seeing if anything's moving around for you guys really quickly. Like I said, right now looking pretty dead overall across the board. Do I just do naked puts? I just buy puts. I don't sell puts, so they're not really naked. It's kind of like I buy the puts, and yeah, there's not really any risk other than what you pay for the puts. Oh, man. Literally nothing moving right now. No stocks that are moving. We got NKLA down 26%. Apple down 2.7%. Low so far pre-market is $103. Apple getting murdered. Apple getting murdered. All those poor, I don't want to say poor bastards, but all those poor people that bought Apple before the split. Everyone loaded up, thought that Apple is just going to keep going higher and higher forever. Well, would you look at that? Would you look at that? If I wanted to get short on the QQQ today, I'd want to buy, I'd maybe trade SQQ over buying puts today. This depends what you're trying to buy. The thing is, with the options, if you're going to buy options, you got to buy the options before the move. You can't buy options after the stock plummets. You got to kind of see the future. You got to see the idea that maybe that the CEO of the company was a total fraud and he was going to quit his job pretty soon. You got to see that future. And here we are today. I don't want to say I told people so. I don't want to tell people so. I don't want to tell people that I told you so. But yeah. I'm hoping that NKLA can find some type of balance and maybe kind of hold around this area, this $25 to $30 area for a couple days, and then maybe we look to buy some more puts. I wouldn't want to buy puts today. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying here. Especially expiring on Friday. There's a lot of time. Maybe I'll look for, puts on Wednesday or Thursday. Or even maybe Wednesday or Thursday, look to buy puts on Nikola. It's just too far out right now if I'm buying the same week expiration. We got BIOC up there to the 489, 490 area. Only 43,000 shares traded so far. We'll see what happens later on with that one, but looking pretty slow right now across the board. I don't know if are you guys seeing anything that's hot? What should we be looking at right now? Everything looking real slow right now. Real slow right now. INO, is that moving around? Let's look at it. INO up there to 1790 right now from the 17 area. Pulling back 1772. INO. It's up 4.6%. Art Reyes, do you sell your Apple at open? That's the $1 million question, my friend. The $1 million question. Like Warren Buffett says, if you're going to buy a stock, you got to have a game plan. Your game plan buying a stock long term should be that you're totally fine holding that stock if it drops 50%. That's advice from Warren Buffett, I don't like to argue with Warren Buffett. So when he gives me advice, I stick to that advice. So if I'm going to get long a stock for an investment, I need to be totally fine with holding it through a 50% drop. And it looks like not enough people are okay with holding Apple from a 50% drop. We'll see. Check out Run. Are you in? Run. Run. Look at this thing. This is what company is this? My computer right now is really slow for some reason. Can't even pull it up. But yeah, looking real slow right now, looking real boring. Looking like nothing's really popping. So yeah, that's kind of the story. I just wanted to go live this morning and talk about kind of Nikola. Nikola down there, 2480. The CEO walking away right now. She's getting away. NTN. Why? NTN. NTN looking, it's kind of moving around here, looking slow right now. Not really having the action that we're normally looking for. So, just wanted to go live, check in with you guys. I'm still alive. Don't worry. If I don't go live, it's not because I'm dead. It's just because I got a life to live sometimes. Unlike most YouTube gurus and day trading people on YouTube, who live in their mom's basement and just day trade every day. I still have things I have to do in my life. You know, I enjoy things. Like this week, it's going to be really windy all week, so I'm excited because I'm going to be going kiteboarding basically all week, and that's why I won't be live, because I'll be out kiteboarding instead of going live on YouTube. You know, I'm all about chasing the rush, baby, chasing the rust, the rust. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. Nothing hot. I'm all the way up, and there ain't nothing going on right now. So, what's up with DraftKings? DraftKings down 5% today. What's the news on there? What's the news? Oh, for some reason my computer doesn't want to. I can't even load the internet right now. I don't know my computer. I need to restart my computer, I guess. I don't know what's going on. What's up with my hair, dude? What's up with all this stuff? It's too early in the morning to be doing this stuff, Patrick. NKLA. I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. Look at Apple down there to below 104 again. We'll see. Might be some good opportunity this week to buy some stocks for long-term holds. Like I said, I would like to see Apple get down there to the $95 area. I think Apple anywhere between $90 and $95 or even $190 is a good buy at this point. Especially, not to say that it can't go lower after that, but in terms of just not buying at the top, well, you know, at least you're buying for a $50 discount at that point. So that's the way I look at it. I think anything below $100 is the way to do it on Apple today for a long-term hold. That's kind of what I'm looking at. Tesla up there to 450. Like, why couldn't I had some calls on Tesla as well on Friday. Why couldn't I get that type of move on Tesla? I did get that kind of move, but I wanted a bigger move. That's crazy. That's the crazy thing. That's the wild thing about trading options. When you trade options, you know, there's an expiration on that option. So, like, I had $34 puts on Friday. I guess I should have rolled those puts over maybe, because if I'd be sitting right now, I'd be jumping for joy. Jumping for joy, baby. I'd be jumping. You know, I'd be jumping for joy. Oh, it is what it is. It's life, I guess. You live and you learn, you know? You live and you don't learn sometimes. American Airlines down there as well. Everything's just kind of just selling off today. Monday morning jitters. The SPY down 1.4% currently. Looking like the SPY. I'd say the SPY, man. The SPY has got some room here. Below 320. Below 320, I'd say if the SPY can't hold 320, I'm thinking that this thing is gonna waterfall back down to the 300 area. What do you think? What do you guys think? I'm thinking the SPY can't hold 320. We're gonna see 300. I might buy some 300 puts. There we go. I might buy some 300 puts this week. That might be fun. Feel a dump. The dump's coming. It's coming. We'll see what happens. So, yeah, like I said, nothing really moving around this morning in the small cap market. Looking pretty boring, pretty slow. So, if you're looking for an opportunity, you're looking for a trade, just be cautious. Be patient. Wait, you don't have to trade every day, people. You do not have to trade every single day. Even though you think you have to, you don't. You don't have to place a trade every day. If there's not an opportunity, if there isn't a trade to make, there's no opportunity. You know, if there's not a trade, don't go chasing waterfalls. All right? All right? Everybody got that? Everybody got that in their head? Don't go chasing waterfalls. Don't go chasing Nikola. Don't go chasing any of it. Just wait for the right opportunity. So, I got some things I'm going to do because right now this market is looking like it's not going to be worth my time to stand here all day and wait for something. So, if you guys have already, do me one favor, hit that like button here. Sorry I couldn't go live every single day for everybody out there that wants me to go live every day. It's like I said, I've got things, you know, I've got a life to live. And unlike most YouTubers on here, they live in their mom's basement or they got nothing to do. I got things to do. It's not that I don't want to hang out with you guys. I I don't know. I enjoy being outside more than I enjoy being in front of a computer screen. I guess it's might not be the best trait when you're a YouTuber, but it seems to be working. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing, you know? Just gonna keep doing what I'm gonna doing to keep staying living like I'm living. You know, gotta keep doing what you keep doing, keep living like you're living. All right. So there it is. I'm looking through. I'm not seeing anything. I wish I had an answer for you guys. I wish there was a hot stock we could all trade right now and make $1 million. I could use $1 million right now. I don't know about you guys, but I could definitely use a quick mill from the market real quick. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I gotta figure out a way. Maybe I'll buy some Nikola $50 calls, and then some reason this week Nikola is gonna go up to $50. Probably not, but maybe we'll see. Maybe some $500 Tesla calls. Maybe some $300 SPY puts. We'll see what happens today. Where it's gonna go, where we want to go, where do we want to put our money to work at? We'll find out later on. So hopefully, like I said, I'm gonna be waiting. I'd be waiting till Thursday, till Wednesday before I really thought about buying some options on Nikola again. Especially after last week, I'm so mad about. I just can't deal with that again. I want to be on the right side. I was on the right side of the trade. Literally the stock closed right at my strike price, right above it. Like, what a joke! Such a joke. It was a joke. All right. Yeah, like I said, thanks for tuning in. I wish I had more information for you guys, better information, but there's just literally nothing happening right now. A couple stocks moving around, but nothing looking hot. So if you guys haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe button. Talk to you guys